the notion that we're now starting to talk about of embracing equity is probably one of the most powerful, simple statements that we are able to articulate. So businesses that have greater diversity and are really plugged in to equity, inclusion, and engagement do better from a business point of view. You can track public company stock price. Public companies that have diverse directors on the board outperform those that don't by a factor of double-digit percentages. By establishing our strategy and utilizing the network of the members, that allows the work to have a ripple effect well beyond Learned Society of Wales. I think this puts a growth focus on Wales as a good place to come to work, to be involved in moving the ball. So I see it as socially progressive and a real necessity to be explicit about